Okay, write down all the formulas. Now illustration number 1, page number 120. The following observations are obtained for life years of usage of cars and their average annual maintenance cost of a specific model of car of a particular company, that is given 2468 as X, that is life of cars, and 10, 20, 25, 30, that is average annual maintenance cost in 1000 rupees. See, in 1000 rupees is important word. We have to concentrate on A, that is in 1000 rupees. It is important in the last. Okay, obtain the regression line of maintenance cost of the life on cars. Also estimate the maintenance cost if the life of car is 10 years. Regression line of, see, the question is regression line, that is y on x or x on y, but regression line of maintenance cost, see, maintenance cost is our y and on life of cars, that is our x. Here it is our x, here it is our y. Maintenance cost is our y, life of cars is our x, so they ask y on x. Regression line of y on x. So for that we have to find out y cap is equal to a plus b x, where b is equal to, which formula we have to use? So for that we have to make the total. Here 20, sigma x is equal to 20, sigma y is equal to 85. We have to find out first of all x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n, that is 20 upon 4, that is 5, and y bar is equal to sigma y upon n, that is 85 upon 4, 21.25. See, x bar are in integer but y bar are in fraction. There are two observations which are above 20 but only two. So we can use the direct method, that is direct x y. B is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. We have to take this formula, right? So for this x, yes, sigma x is here, sigma y, yes, it is here, sigma x square, we need sigma xy and sigma x square. So we have to take two columns, xy and x square. In chapter number 2, we are taking three columns, that is xy, x square and y square. But here in denominator there are some changes which are, here there is no square root in the denominator. See, numerator is common. In chapter number 2, formula for direct method, r is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y. Numerator is here also byx is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y. Numerator is common. but the denominator is changed. Here no square root and no sigma y square and sigma y. Here only byx. Here see byx. So last digit, last word byx, x here in the denominator, sigma and sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. So we have to take this xy. So 10 into 2, 20, 80, 150, 180. X square 4, 16, 36, 64. Make the total sigma xy, sigma x square. The total is sigma xy 490, sigma x square 120. Right? Okay. Now put the value here. N is 4. 4 into sigma xy 490 minus sigma x 20, sigma y 85 whole upon n, that is 4, sigma x square, that is 120 minus sigma x, that is 20 whole square, is equal to 1960 minus 1700 upon 1960 minus 1700 upon 480 minus 400 is equal to 260 upon 80 is equal to, what the answer? Get the answer. Calculate your answer in your calci. 3.25. So byx is equal to 3.25. For y on x, y cap is equal to a plus bx. In that, b is equal to 3.25. Now a is equal to, I am calculating here, a is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. Y bar is equal to, what is your y bar here? We calculate the y bar, 21.25 minus byx 3.25, x bar 5. 21.25, 16.25 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 and byx is equal to 3.25. So the regression line y cap is equal to a plus bx. That is your main answer. Y cap, therefore y cap is equal to, a is equal to 5. Here put the value in your equation and b is equal to 3.25 x. 5 plus 3.25 x, and this is your main answer. So put it into your box. Now it is also given that also estimate the maintenance cost if the life of a car is 10 years. That means here life of a car is equal to x. So here x is given, where x is equal to 10. What is the estimated value of y based on this equation? First of all, we have to find out the equation, that is y on x. Regression line, that is y on x, is equal to y cap is equal to a plus bx. That is your main answer in each and every equations of chapter 3. But if the extra questions is given, that means if extra value is given for x, we have to find out the estimated value of y, that is y cap is equal to 5 plus 3.25x, where we are putting the value of x 10, 5 plus 3.25 into 10, that is 5 plus 32.5, that is 37.5. See, this is not your answer, because I told you, that is, if questions is said that y in 1000 rupees, that if the answer is 37.5, you have to write 37.5 thousand rupees, or y cap is equal to 37.5 into 1000, that is 37,500 rupees. This is the last or final answer. So write down this question. Okay. Write illustration number 1 completely. Now illustration number 2. Read the question first, page number 121. The monthly sale of different types of laptops in 100 units and its profit in lakh rupees for the last 6 months for a company is given below. Month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of laptops sold 100 units, that is your x, and profit in lakh rupees, that is your y. So first of all, you have to consider which one is x, that means which one is independent variable, and which one is y, that is which one is dependent variable. Now read the questions again. Obtain the regression line of y on x. Here they specifically ask that y on x, regression line of y on x. So y cap is equal to a plus bx is the formula, and for that we have to find out byx. But for byx, which formula we have to use? That we find out from sigma x and sigma y, and from that x bar and y bar. So what is the total? Make the total of sigma x first. Calculate yourself. What is your sigma x? $40. Now what is your sigma y? Make the total. 58. Now find out x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n, that is 40 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.67. That is your x bar. Y bar is equal to sigma y upon n, that is 58 upon 6. 9.67. 666, that's why we are taking 67. Okay, both are in fraction, so we have to take, and all the observations are below 20, so we have to take regular, that is direct method, x, y and x square. So what is the formula? Byx and sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x all square. Right? Okay. For this we have to calculate this one, sigma xy and sigma x square. Xy, that is multiplication of these two. 40, 63, 50, 180, 80 and 18. Make the total. Got the answer of sigma xy. What is the sigma xy? 431. Okay, now x square 25, 49, 25, 144, 64 and 9. Make the total of these also. That is 316. Okay, so now put the value here. N is equal to 6, sigma xy 431 minus sigma x, that is 40, minus sigma y, that is 58, whole upon n, that is 6, sigma x square, that is 316, minus sigma x whole square, that is 40 square. Now calculate these by yourself. Two 586 minus 2320 upon 1896 minus 1600. So what is the answer? 266 upon 296. 266 upon 296. Exact value is equal to 0.8986. So approximate value is 0.89x6, that is 0.90. Your b by x is equal to 0.90. Approximate value is taken because here 8, which one is more than 5. That's why we added 1 to this number, that is 89 plus 1, that is 0.90. Therefore b by x is equal to 0.90. Now a is equal to y bar minus b x bar. Y bar is equal to, here we find out this value, 9.67 minus b is equal to 0.90, x bar is equal to 6.67. So 9.67 minus 0.90 into 6.67 is equal to 6.003 is equal to 3.6. 3.667. Therefore, we write that A is equal to 3.67 approximate value. B by x is equal to 0.90. A is equal to 3.67. Now, here I am writing here A is equal to A plus BX. That is the main question they ask. So, estimated value of y, that is y cap, is equal to 3.67 plus 0.90x. This is your main answer. That is, obtain regression line of y on x. This is the regression line of y on x. This is your first answer. Now the second question is also find the error in estimating y for x is equal to 7. Now this is the new questions. Error. Error E is equal to y minus y cap. This is the formula for error. This is the new formula. Error is equal to y minus y cap, where x is equal to 7. Find out the error. What means of that? See here in the question, x is equal to 7. The y's value is 9. That means if x is equal to 7, question says that y value is 9. So here y is equal to 9 and y cap, that is your original answer that we have to find out by putting here 7. So first of all we have to find out y cap. For find out error y minus y cap, we have to find out the value of y cap. Y cap is equal to 3.67 plus 0.90 into 7. 3.67 plus 0.63 is equal to 4.3. Is it so? No, sir. It is 6.3. 6.3. So the answer is 9.97. It means that if the x value is 7, estimated y value based on this regression line is 9.97. If x value is 7, estimated value based on this regression line which we are finding from this formula is 9.97. But in the regular actual questions, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. Here in second month, number of laptops sold 700 units, total profit 9 lakh rupees. So if we have to find out the error formula E is equal to y minus y cap is equal to y is equal to 9, because we are taking 9 from this, minus y cap is equal to 9.97. So the error is minus 0.97. Find out the error. What is the question? Find out the error. Here we find out the error. Error is equal to minus 0.97. Means the question says if the x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. But as per our calculation, as per the regression line, estimated value of y where x is equal to 7 is equal to 9.97. That's why error in these two answers, that is y minus y cap, y is equal to 9, y cap is equal to 9.97. So error is equal to minus 0.97. The question asks find out the error. We find out the error here. Okay, write down this question also. So guys, by ending this illustration number 2, we are complete this lecture, and here is your homework. Please write down your homework for this video lecture. Exercise 3.1, question number 1 and question number 2, which are similar as illustration number 1 and 2. You have to complete this in your exercise book, and you have to write these all examples in your example book. Okay guys, good day.